Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload CapCut videos to YouTube PC. First of all, open the CapCut new project and firstly we have to import the video. Click on import, select the video, click on this plus button to add to track. It will be added. Then you can edit it after editing. Click on export and rename it. You can also change these settings according to you and change the location. I'm going to export on this downloads and select folder and now click on export. You can see my video is exporting. Now we will close this CapCut and open the Google and search for YouTube. Open YouTube. Here if you want to upload video on your YouTube channel, in the left corner you will see here your channel. Click on that and here you will see create content or upload content. Just simply click on it. It will open your YouTube Creator Studio. It will show you this type of window. Click on this select file, select your exported file and then simply tap on this open. It will be uploaded. You can simply give it a title, write the description and click on next, next and next. Just do your settings. It will be on private. You have to click on public and just simply tap on this publish and you are good to go. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.